Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss equation of a straight line. Here we have the fifth one, the line 3x by 5 minus 2y by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Contain the point m comma 2m minus 1. Calculate the value of m. We need to find out the value of m. Just I am going to write the given conditions. Given the point set as point m comma 2m minus 1. So you can substitute here, substituting x is equal to m, y is equal to 2m minus 1 in equation. Here the given equation is 3x by 5 minus 2y by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now here just I need to substitute the value of x and y. 3 into x value it is m, 3m by 5 minus 2 into y value it is 2m minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. If there is no denominator, you can consider it as 1. Therefore, the LCM of 5, 3, 1 is 15. Here to get the denominator as 15, just I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. Here I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Here we have only 1, so I need to multiply 15 both numerator and denominator. Okay, now further if we simplify this, 3 3s are 9 into m divided by 5 3s are 15 minus 5 2s are 10. 10 into 2m minus 1 divided by 15 plus 15 divided by 15 is equal to 0. Now here the denominators become same. Just we can simplify the numerators. Just I am going to write only once. 9 into m it is 9m minus. So here this minus 10 it is common for both the terms inside the bracket. Just I am going to multiply minus 10 into 20 it is 20m minus into minus here it will become plus 10 into 1 it is 10 plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, when you shift this division 15 to the opposite side, here it will become multiplication. So into 15, 0 into anything the value you will get a 0. So here I can write 9m minus 20m plus 10 plus 15 is equal to 0. 9m minus 20m will get here minus 11m plus 10 plus 15 you will get 25 is equal to 0. Just I am going to shift this minus 11m to the opposite side, so that we will get 25 is equal to plus 11m. So when you shift this 11 to the opposite side, it will become 25 divided by 11 is equal to m. Okay, we got here m is equal to 25 divided by 11, or even you can write it as 2 into 11 it is 22, 3 divided by 11. So this is the final answer. Okay, the sixth one they have given here. Does the line 3x minus 5y is equal to 6 bisect the joint of 5 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2? Here they have given the line which bisect the line of AB. So you can consider this is a point A and this it is B. If the coordinates of the midpoint AB satisfies the equation of the line. For example, here you can consider the line. So in this particular line, I am going to take the point A and here it is B. A point we have 5 comma minus 2. B it is minus 1 comma 2. Now here does the line 3x minus 5y is equal to 6 bisects means which divides into two equal parts, join of A and B. Okay, now I can consider the line. This line it is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. This particular line which divides AB into two equal parts, you can consider this is a point P. AP it is going to be equal to PB. This particular point P divides AB into two equal parts. Therefore, we can say it is a midpoint. Therefore, midpoint of P is equal to, we know very well, formula it is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Just if you find this particular point, if you substitute in the given expression, the LHS part is equal to RHS part means, then we can say here this line it is going to be divide or bisects the line joining of AB. Just I am substituting here the value here. X1 value it is 5, y1 value it is minus 2, x2 it is minus 1, y2 value it is 2. So x1 plus x2 means 5 minus 1 divided by 2, y1 y2, so minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Further if we simplify this, we'll get 4 divided by 2 comma 0 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, the value it is 2, 0 by 2 it is 0. So we got here the point P is equal to 2 comma 0. Now just we are going to substitute in the given equation. Substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 in equation. So this is the given equation, right? So just I am going to write here 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. If we substitute the LHS side, you have to get the RHS value. 3 into x value it is 2 minus y value it is 0 is equal to 6. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5 into 0 it will be 0 is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6. We got here left hand side it is going to be equal to the right hand side RHS. So which is true. So here we can write therefore the given line bisects the join of 5 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. Okay, here they have given the ninth one. The point P divides the join of 2 comma 1 and the point minus 3 comma 6 in the ratio 2:3. Thus P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Just we need to check. First I am going to draw the line. Okay, just I have drawn the line. I am going to mention the points here. Points we have. This is the first point. I am going to consider it as 2 comma 1. And this is the second point. B it is minus 3 comma 6. Now P is a point which divides the join of A and B. You can take it as A and B. So just I am going to write here the point P. So the point P we don't know, so we can take it as x comma y. This particular point divides the line joining of AB in the ratio 2:3. So here I can take a 2 and this it is going to be 3. Just I am going to write the given conditions. Let A is 2 comma 1 and B value it is minus 3 comma 6. Okay, now here P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Thus P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now we are going to consider the another line. Okay, now here in this particular line I can name it as x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now this particular P, does this P lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Just we need to find out the value of P and you have to substitute x value and y value in the given expression. If LHS is equal to RHS means, then we can say this particular P which it is lies on the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. First we need to find out the point P. So here we know very well P divides AB in the ratio 2 comma, so I can use the section formula. P of x comma y is equal to m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now just I am going to substitute the values. We know here this is x1 y1 and this it is x2 y2. Here this is m1 and this value it is m2. Just I am going to substitute here. M2 value it is 3, x1 value it is 2 plus m1 value it is 2, x2 value it is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 2, or you can write it as 2 plus 3 also, comma m2 value it is 3, y1 value it is 1, plus m1 value it is 2, y2 value it is 6 divided by 3 plus 2. So here 3 2s are 6, plus into minus it will be minus. 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 plus 2 it is 5, comma 3 into 1 it is 3, plus 6 2s are 12. 3 plus 2 it is a 5. Okay, here p is equal to 6 minus 6 value it is 0, 0 by 5 the value it will be 0, plus 3 plus 12 it is 15, 15 divided by 5 the value we will get here it is p is equal to 0 comma 3. Now this p does lie in the equation x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. We need to check. Okay, just I am going to substitute here. I need to consider x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 in equation x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. If LHS value it is equal to RHS means just we can say here the point P which is lying in the equation. So x value it is 0 minus y value it is 3 plus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 15 plus 15 value it is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Here which is true. Therefore, the point P lies in the equation of line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0.